Have you ever felt disconnected, drained, or emotionally stuck? It might be your body's energy system trying to tell you something. Hi, welcome to the Gratitude Warrior, and today we're exploring the mystical and very real world of chakras. So, what are chakras? Chakra is a Sanskrit word meaning wheel or disc. Chakras are energy centers within your body that spin and flow, connecting your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. There are 7 main chakras that run along your spine, starting from the base and rising to the crown of your head. Each one vibrates at its own frequency and is linked to different parts of your life, from your sense of security and creativity to love, intuition, and spiritual connection. Here's a quick overview of each chakra. First, we have the root chakra, Muladhara, is located at the base of the spine and is associated with feelings of security, stability, and groundedness. Color is red, crystal is red jasper, and the affirmation, I am grounded, safe, and connected to the earth. Next is your sacral chakra, Svadhisthana, located below the navel and is associated with creativity, emotions, sensuality, and pleasure. Color is orange, crystal is carnelian, and the affirmation, I honor my emotions and embrace my creativity. Then there is your solar plexus chakra, Manipura, representing your personal power, self-esteem, willpower, and the ability to manifest goals. Color is yellow, crystal is citrine, and the affirmation, I stand in my power and shine my light brightly. Your heart chakra, Anahata, located in the center of the chest, is associated with love, compassion, empathy, and connection, acting as a bridge between the lower physical chakras and the upper spiritual ones. Color is green or pink, crystal is rose quartz, and the affirmation, I am open to giving and receiving love freely. Next, your throat chakra, Vishuddha, is the center for communication, self-expression, creativity, and truth. Color is blue, crystal is blue lace agate, and the affirmation, I express my truth with clarity and confidence. Then there is the third eye chakra, Ajna, located in the center of the forehead and is associated with intuition, insight, and spiritual perception beyond the physical world. Color is indigo, crystal is amethyst, and the affirmation, I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. And your crown chakra, Sahasrara, is associated with spiritual enlightenment, higher consciousness, and a deep connection to the divine and the universe. Color is violet or white, crystal is clear quartz, and the affirmation, I am connected to divine light and infinite peace. When your chakras are balanced, your energy flows freely. You feel grounded, peaceful, and aligned. But when they're blocked, you might feel anxious, tired, or unmotivated. The good news is you can realign your energy with simple practices like meditation, crystal healing, sound therapy, or affirmations. So that's the foundation of chakra healing, understanding your body's energy map. In upcoming and previous videos, we'll explore each chakra in depth and show you how to balance them for everyday harmony. If this resonated with you, give this video a like and subscribe to the Gratitude Warrior for more on chakras, crystals, and gratitude-based living. Remember, balance your energy and the rest will follow.